Yo, what's up? It's AI Cyber here to make you rich. Did you know over 100 million people are already using AI to make money right now? That's like everyone in California suddenly becoming an entrepreneur. And the craziest part, most of them are doing it in their pajamas. Have you ever thought about making money while you sleep? I'm not talking about selling out on some shady crypto scheme. I'm talking about using the power of AI, specifically ChatGPT, to automate your income streams. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 easiest ways you can start cashing in with ChatGPT, like today. We're talking side hustle money, passive income, maybe even enough to quit your job money. You don't want to miss this.
Alright, so you want to make money online, but you don't know where to start. The internet is a vast ocean of opportunities, and it can be overwhelming to figure out where to dive in. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. Many people are in the same boat, looking for ways to turn their skills into a profitable venture. Freelancing is where it's at, and ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Imagine having a tool that can help you create content quickly and efficiently, freeing up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. It's like having a co-pilot who never gets tired. Think about it. Businesses everywhere need content. From small startups to large corporations, everyone needs to communicate their message effectively. Content is king, and the demand for quality content is ever growing. Website copy, blog posts, product descriptions, social media updates, newsletters, the list goes on and on. Every piece of content is an opportunity for you to showcase your writing skills and help businesses connect with their audience. The list goes on and on. And with the rise of digital marketing, the need for fresh, engaging content is more critical than ever. Businesses are constantly looking for talented writers who can help them stand out in a crowded online space. And guess what? Most people hate writing. They find it time-consuming, challenging, and often frustrating. That's where you come in with your passion for words and creativity. That's where you come in armed with the power of AI. ChatGPT can be your ally, helping you overcome writer's block and generate ideas when you're stuck. It's like having a brainstorming partner who is always ready to assist. ChatGPT can help you pump out high-quality content faster than ever before. It can generate drafts, suggest improvements, and even help you with research. The possibilities are endless. Just feed it some basic info like the topic and some keywords, and boom! It generates a first draft for you. This can save you hours of work and help you meet tight deadlines without compromising on quality. Now, I'm not saying you should just copy and paste. That's not the way to go. You need to review the content, make necessary adjustments, and ensure it aligns with the client's voice and brand. You gotta put your own spin on it, add your own voice and style. This is what makes your work unique and valuable. Personalization is key to creating content that resonates with the audience. But ChatGPT takes care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on the creative stuff. It handles the mundane tasks, allowing you to unleash your creativity and produce content that truly stands out. Imagine being able to take on twice as many clients because you're writing twice as fast. With ChatGPT, you can manage multiple projects simultaneously, increasing your productivity and income. That's more money in your pocket and more time to do the things you love. Whether it's spending time with family, traveling, or pursuing a hobby, you can achieve a better work-life balance. And the best part? The more you use ChatGPT, the better it gets at understanding your writing style. It learns from your inputs and adapts to your preferences, making the collaboration even smoother. It's like having a personal writing assistant that's always learning and improving. This continuous learning process ensures that the content generated is always aligned with your standards and expectations. So whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, ChatGPT can take your writing career to the next level. Embrace the power of AI and watch your productivity and creativity soar. The future of freelancing is here, and it's time for you to become a wordsmith wizard with ChatGPT.
Let's be real. Dealing with customer questions 24/7 can be a total drag. It's not just the volume of inquiries, but the repetitive nature of the questions that can wear down even the most patient of customer service agents. It's time-consuming, repetitive, and let's be honest, sometimes it's just plain annoying. The same questions over and over again, the same issues cropping up, and the same frustrations from customers who just want quick answers. But what if you could automate the whole thing? Imagine a world where you don't have to manually respond to every single customer query. Instead, you have a system in place that can handle the bulk of these interactions for you. ChatGPT can be your all-star customer support team, answering questions, resolving issues, and keeping your customers happy, all while you're catching some Z's. This AI-powered tool can manage a wide range of customer interactions, from simple inquiries to more complex troubleshooting. Imagine this. Someone's browsing your online store at 3 a.m. and they have a question about shipping. They don't want to wait until morning to get an answer, and with ChatGPT, they don't have to. Instead of waiting until business hours to get an answer, they get an instant response from your ChatGPT-powered chatbot. This immediate assistance can make a huge difference in customer satisfaction and can even lead to more sales. ChatGPT can handle all the basic stuff, like order tracking, FAQs, and even more detailed inquiries. It can provide accurate and timely information that helps customers feel valued and understood, and even simple technical troubleshooting. Whether it's a question about how to use a product or a minor technical issue, ChatGPT can guide customers through the process with ease. And if it ever encounters a question it can't answer, it can easily escalate it to a human representative. This seamless transition ensures that customers always get the help they need, without any frustration or delay. This means you can provide 24/7 support without hiring a massive team of customer service reps. Your existing team can focus on more complex issues, while ChatGPT handles the routine inquiries. That's a huge win for your bottom line, and it frees up your time to focus on growing your business. Instead of being bogged down by customer service, you can concentrate on strategic initiatives that drive growth and innovation. And the coolest part, ChatGPT learns from every interaction, so it gets smarter and more efficient over time. This means that the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding and responding to customer needs. It's like having a customer support team that's constantly leveling up. With each interaction, ChatGPT refines its responses and becomes more adept at handling a wide range of customer queries. So ditch the late-night customer service calls and let ChatGPT take the wheel. You can rest easy, knowing that your customers are being taken care of, no matter what time of day or night it is. Your customers will thank you for the instant support, and your bank account will thank you for the savings. By reducing the need for a large customer service team, you can significantly cut costs while still providing top-notch support. In the end, it's all about creating a better experience for your customers and a more efficient operation for your business. With ChatGPT, you can achieve both, leading to happier customers and a more successful business. So why wait? Start building your army of AI helpers today and watch your business thrive. The future of customer service is here, and it's powered by ChatGPT.
Alright, content is king, we've all heard it a million times. But what does that really mean in today's digital age? It's not just about producing content, it's about creating content that resonates, engages, and converts. But creating engaging content that keeps your audience hooked? That's a whole different ballgame. It requires a deep understanding of your audience, a knack for storytelling, and the ability to stay relevant in an ever-changing digital landscape. That takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. Or does it? What if there was a way to streamline this process to make it less daunting and more efficient? Enter ChatGPT, your secret weapon for churning out high-quality content across all your platforms. We're talking blog posts, social media updates, video scripts, and more. Imagine having a tool that can help you generate ideas, write drafts, and even optimize your content for better reach. Video scripts, the works. Whether you're planning a detailed blog post or a quick social media update, ChatGPT can assist you in crafting content that not only informs, but also captivates your audience. Imagine being able to brainstorm a month's worth of content ideas in minutes. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to write next. With ChatGPT, you can generate a plethora of ideas tailored to your niche and audience. Just tell ChatGPT your niche and target audience and watch the ideas flow. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of inspiration. And watch the ideas flow. From catchy headlines to engaging body text, ChatGPT can help you craft content that stands out in a crowded digital space. Need help writing catchy captions for your Instagram posts? ChatGPT's got you covered. It can suggest creative and engaging captions that will make your posts pop and attract more engagement. Want to create a killer script for your next YouTube video? ChatGPT can help you with that too. From outlining your video to writing the script, it can make the process smoother and more efficient. ChatGPT can help you with that too. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional writer to create professional quality content. ChatGPT can even help you optimize your content for SEO, ensuring that your content is not only engaging but also discoverable. It can suggest keywords, improve readability, and help you rank higher in search engine results, so you can reach a wider audience and attract more eyeballs to your work. Imagine the impact of having your content seen by more people, driving more traffic to your site, and increasing your engagement rates, and attract more eyeballs to your work. The more people see your content, the more opportunities you have to grow your audience and build your brand. So, whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, social media influencer, or just someone who wants to create awesome content, ChatGPT can help you take your game to the next level. It's like having a personal assistant who understands your creative needs and helps you meet them. Or just someone who wants to create awesome content, ChatGPT can help you take your game to the next level. It's not just about making content, it's about making content that matters. ChatGPT can help you take your game to the next level. Imagine the freedom of focusing on your creative vision while ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting of content creation. Stop stressing about content creation and let ChatGPT be your creative partner in crime. With its help, you can produce high-quality content consistently without the usual stress and burnout. And let ChatGPT be your creative partner in crime. Together, you can explore new ideas, experiment with different formats, and push the boundaries of your creativity. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish together. With ChatGPT by your side, the sky's the limit. Unleash your inner content machine and watch your creative potential soar.
So there you have it. 3 ridiculously easy ways you can start cashing in with ChatGPT. We're talking game-changing stuff here, people. Listen, I didn't get to 100 million subscribers by sitting on my hands. I took risks, I hustled, and I wasn't afraid to try new things. And that's what I'm challenging you to do today. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. The future of making money is here, and it's powered by AI. So go out there, crush it, and let's make some serious bank together.